What's up, SOI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all post notifications so I can get notified every time we post. Alright, SOI fam. So y'all know how I replaced the window switch earlier in the car. Y'all, that one didn't work. My driver's side wasn't going down all the way, and my passenger side, what my passenger side doing? Passenger side was only working when the car had the power switch was on the car. So yeah, now y'all, I got a OEM Nissan freaking switch. So we about to put this in real quick, y'all. I'm not about to show y'all the process of how to put this in. Y'all, it's a little cold out here. My hands a little freezing, but I'm about to put this in, and hopefully this fixes the problem, bro. Cause it's just annoying. It's annoying. But yeah, update you guys. Update, y'all. It freaking worked. Let me flip the camera around so y'all can see. I just plugged it in and look at the freaking window, y'all. Focus. You see it? It came down. Now the car hasn't. I didn't turn the power on or nothing on the car, right? So we got to go to the other side. Y'all boy, look now. Look, y'all see? Y'all see the window all the way up? Open the door. Y'all boy just don't know how bittersweet moment that is, y'all. And y'all don't even want to know the price of how much this freaking part cost me. But yeah, it worked. Y'all, so guess what? I got the freaking thing in, right? I didn't show y'all putting the switch in. So it worked. On the clip before this, y'all see it worked on the passenger side. And it worked on the driver's side. But y'all, I gotta do this little reprogram thing for the driver's side that I looked up on YouTube because I was like, bruh, what the world? So I got an OEM Infinity switch. Driver's side. The passenger side is by far way cheaper than the freaking driver's side, y'all. So I got an OEM one, right? But now everything worked. The lock button worked. The unlock, the window switch lock, the freaking switches, everything worked. But now on the driver's side, when you down the freaking window, y'all, it don't do the little automatic thing. You gotta hold the button, the up the window back. So this morning, before I did this, I went on YouTube and I looked at some stuff and see what was what, right? So with that being said, y'all, the only way to go wash the car for one, because I'm about to show you how it looks. So that's nothing. And then nothing is we gotta get the I think I'm gonna have to get a new battery for this car because it just, I don't know. I really just don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new battery for the car. What are you doing, sir, with that big old horse truck? I'll let you be great. But yeah, I gotta get a whole new battery for the car. I'm about to wash the car. Y'all, it is currently 48 degrees outside. But I just passed. I don't even need to take this car through the automatic car wash because this car is black and I already have a lot of swirl marks for as it is, y'all, and I really don't like that. I need to go get a buff. I really need a detail. But I got somebody up here. I wanted to get my windows fixed because if you slam the door in the passenger side, you can bust the window because it don't go down for you to shut the door and roll back up. So we got the switch in, so that's one thing. Two, I'm about to turn, when I get to the car wash, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and show y'all the reprogram thing for the thing, and then after that, wash and clean the car out. I'm gonna take the battery out, take the battery to either auto. I think I'm gonna go to AutoZone or Advance, whatever one I go to, get the battery checked and see if I got a dead cell in the battery, y'all. Because if you sit in the car like 10 minutes with just like the radio running with the car without the car really running, the battery dies, and then I have to get the car jump started, right? And this done happened to me twice when I did not have my freaking it always happens when I don't have my jump pack with me, y'all. And that just really upsets me really bad, right? They don't tell me the car wash is packed because I really need to wash my car. It's so packed, y'all. But guess what we about to do? We about to clean this car. That's what we finna do. That I know about you, but I know we finna clean this car, bro. And then I still gotta bring birthday clean too, so I'm not too pressed about that. I might just take that straight through the door. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might take that straight through the little automatic car wash because I don't really care because birthday need the paint job anyway. You know what I'm saying? But like for this car, I took it to an automatic car wash a couple of times, y'all. And I know my homeboy was mad at me because yeah. So right now today we finna get this right and wash this car. And then right now I'm finna show y'all this I'm about to show y'all this thing, and then we gonna go from there. But yeah, I'm not even gonna give y'all a POV of us washing the car, because right now it's a lot of people at the car wash, y'all. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna worry about giving y'all a POV of that. We about to wash the car, and then I'm gonna go take it back and park it. So yeah, and show y'all taking the battery and stuff out. You gotta do a lot just to get the battery, out, y'all. You gotta do a lot. And then on top of that, y'all, I can't even find my socket, my deep wall socket set. So that's another thing too, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all this little reprogram hat, and then we get. So y'all, look. So automatic go down, perfectly fine, right? Now look what I do. Let's see it. Get both from the camera. It's supposed to, when you double, look. So I gotta hold it to go on all the way back up, right? And then look at it. I open the door, and it didn't go up. So look, I'm about to open the door again and go down further. Close it, right? I'm opening it again, go down further, close it, right? So now what I'm about to do is turn the car off. So the car completely off, right? And y'all look in, open the door, and it gonna keep doing it, going back down like that, right? So what I'm about to do is reprogram the switch. So what I'm gonna switch it on to the on position. I'm gonna up the window, then I'm gonna hold this for 3 seconds. Okay. Then I'm gonna down the window. Then I'm gonna hold it for another. I'm gonna hold it for another 3 seconds. Then I'm up the window. Okay, that didn't work. Let me rewatch the video. So yo, right when I turn the camera off, I got it to work. So you put it in the ACC position on your switch, and then you take. So you put it in the ACC switch, like your ACC switch. So you, no, you just put it on the ACC. Then I went up, count 3 seconds, then I down the window all the way down, count another 3 seconds, and then that's when I hit the little auto button, and it went back up perfectly fine. And then I'm about to open the door. As y'all can see, it went down. And it went back up. Now when I get out, I'm about to get out the car. Let me make sure I got everything. Get out the car. I see you down. Go back up. So we gotta fix. I'm glad we gotta fix. So now I'm about to walk around the car and show y'all how dirty the car is, and then I am gonna do it before and after. So yeah, that's the before of how dirty the car is. I'm about to get my stuff together. I do not have what I don't have. I do not have a tire shine, honestly. So this is what I got. I got my car wash bucket. I'm about to put the soap in there. Put some soap up in there. I used to have a whole routine. So I'm about to take this 409 and spray it on the wheels. Ain't a lot left in here, but we're gonna spray it on here and see if it gets something done. car from 2019, so it's 2025. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get a new battery. Show y'all the process of getting the battery out the car, and yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, y'all. So put the new battery in. They give me this like battery installation kit. So the red goes over the positive and green goes over the negative. So I'm gonna put that on and then put the battery back on and then we're gonna crank the car and make sure it works. Alright vlog, so got the new battery in. Got the protection post thingy. So this is a 10, this is a 10, that's a 10, and that's a 10, all that's a 10. Now we're gonna put this back in first. You gotta slide this back in. Try to do this with one hand. Slide it back in. So we know that's working. Car got power to it. But the slide this back in place real quick, like so. So you got that slide back in. You want to snap this piece right here back on here, and I must say I am in the future. That piece, I don't know if y'all can see it, but snap this piece back on. And I must say in the future I do. So then you get that in. Once you get that in, you take this and snap this all back. Make sure you got this line back up and over here. Snap all this up, put that down. Then we are putting this back in. And there's 3. I think it's 4, but I lost 1. So I only got 3. It's 3 little snap holes. How about that? Put in. Snap it in. Right here. Put it in. Snap it in. And then another one right here. Another one right here. Hold on. Snap all these in. So you snap that one in. Snap that one, those 3, and there's one that go right here, but I don't have it. Then we're going to snap the battery cover back on, and then we're done. Clean up all our tools, and we're gonna start the car up, and yeah, then we're done. Check that. Windows are working again. Light is on. So let's go ahead and... Yes, sir. With the battery, y'all. We got it. We got it. Infinity Sim 1. Connect to my Bluetooth. We did it, y'all. We got it. That's what happened. We got the car running. Everything is fixed right now. I do eventually have to go get a service done. But like I said, y'all, it was cranking. Let me turn that down. It was cranking very slow. But we got everything fixed. The windows fixed. The battery's in. We're about to grab us some food, and then I'm gonna just end the video in Big Bertha.